This Dodge Ram 1500 Bighorn edition. The owner say that the power steering is not working. See, it's so hard. And we need to check what's wrong. It looks like it's the power steering pump is not pumping. But see, it's got a big leak. Let me get something to hold it. Hold the hood. Okay, looks like it's been leaking for a long time. This truck looks like it's been leaking. Maybe that power tank pump got broken. The shaft got broken inside. Because right here the fluid is not moving at all. So let me lift the truck and check if the rack and pinion moves freely. Este chavo se le descompuso el volante, no da vuelta, está muy duro. Se ve que ha tenido fugas hace mucho tiempo, como está todo lleno de líquido por todos lados, del hidráulico. So, vamos a checar por qué está pasando eso. Pienso que se rompió el eje de la bomba, se rompió adentro y ya no está bombeando. Sí, porque el aceite pues nunca se cambió también y todo eso, estas fugas que tienen. So let me check. Okay, let me check this system. I'm gonna remove the belt and I'm gonna lift the truck, see how the wheel moves. Okay, I'll be back. Let me put the camera right here. We got no movement right here on the power steering fluid. No tenemos nada de movimiento aquí, que se mueva el líquido del hidráulico. Voy a poner aquí la cámara, ahorita regreso, vamos a levantar el carro. Let me lift the truck. Okay, I lift the truck. Let's check if the wheel turns free and if it's not the rack and pinion damaged. As you can see, this one is turning. So that means that we have a good rack and pinion, okay? Aquí estamos viendo que levanté la camioneta y estamos viendo que tenemos un rack and pinion que está bueno porque está girando. A veces se quedan los rack and pinions duros y no da vuelta para nada, pero este sí está dando vuelta. See, this one is turning right now. So right now I'm gonna remove the belt. See, Vamos a quitar antes de quitar la banda, vamos a quitar la manguera de presión y ver si sale presión. Before we remove the belt, we're gonna remove the power steering pressure hose and check if pressure is coming out from there. See, this test is just to show you what you can do when if something like that happens to you, to your car. ¿Sí? Esto nada más es para enseñarles más o menos lo que pueden checar en caso de que sus carros les pase esto. Ahorita voy a desconectar esta manguera o no desconectarla, pero dejarla suelta para ver si sale presión cuando prende la camioneta. Okay, let me remove this hose right here, the pressure hose. And I'm going to start the engine. Vamos a quitar esta línea de aquí. Let's remove this hose. Well, I'm going to have to remove it, but I'm going to get it loose. Vamos a aflojarla. Esta línea. Aquí debemos de tener presión. We should have pressure on this hose right now it's loose, as you can see. Ya la tengo suelta esta línea. Voy a prender la camioneta y aquí debe de salir presión. Okay, right here there should be lots of pressure. I'm gonna start the engine. Voy a prender la camioneta. Ahí debe de salir presión y see, barely, just a little bit. So we got a damage. We got a damaged pump. So let me remove the hose. Voy a quitar esta manguera de una vez. Ahí está. Let me remove the belt. Vamos a quitar la banda. Now we got the belt off. See this one? See what I told you? It's so damaged. The shaft is broken. What happened? It's coming out. Ooh, it's coming apart. Okay. See? The brakes inside the pump. Okay, so let's replace it. Let's remove it and replace it. Vamos a quitarla. Y a cambiarla. Ahí como está, ya quitamos la manguera de abajo. Ahorita nada más vamos a quitar esta de aquí. We're gonna remove this hose, this one that connects the reservoir, and we're gonna remove it together with the reservoir and everything, and we're gonna install it there, outside. Okay. Let me over it. Okay, so let's remove the pump. We need to remove these 3 bolts right here. This one, and this one right here on the bottom. And then it's got a sensor right there on the back. See, connection right there on the back. I'm gonna remove this one, so remove this clamp, and then I'm gonna remove the pump together with the reservoir. Okay, vamos a quitar todo junto con el botellón y vamos a quitar los tornillos que ya les enseñé aquí abajo. Okay, ese y ese de acá abajo. Okay, so let's remove it. Vamos a quitarlo. Okay, remove those bolts. Start 13. This one is going to come up together. Okay, let's remove the hose first. Vamos a quitar la manguera primero.
Highway 100. That's GabrielAutoTech, 413 Highway 100 in
That's good. ¿Sí? Un poquito de aire aquí. Este pie que ya no jala. I can turn the hose. Doesn't want to go down. Right there, it's going. It's full of dirt, full of grease. Dirt, right there. Let's pull it down. Okay, vamos a jalar la manguera hacia abajo, ya se aflojó. Let's pull it. Pull this hose down. Okay, let's pull this hose down. Right there. Now let's remove the 3 bolts. Oh, this wire is not connected to the pump. I thought it was connected to it. Not. The pressure sensor, it's on the other side. Okay, let's remove the 3 bolts that attaches the pump to the block. This pump is so small for these. Need the smaller ratchet. This is good. This is better. Okay. For the other one. Right. The last but not least. Okay. Now let's remove it. We got our pump. Now let's go in there so we can remove the reservoir and the pulley. See? See this pulley, maybe we need a pulley. Necesitamos la polea porque ven, la polea se está saliendo también. The pulley was getting apart. Right there. Okay, let's remove the pulley from here. And let's remove this one, the reservoir. Vamos a sacar estos tornillos. Vamos a quitar esta base también de aquí. We need to remove this one. I think this, I don't know if this base came together with the, it's gonna be a problem right here. This is gonna be a problem. Pequeñito problema aquí. We got a problem here. There. Now this one. Sounds good. See? You have to hit it a little bit, hit it with the hammer. ¿De la Ford no? No. De la Ford no, es así. De la Ford no, a ver. Sí. ¿Arreglar las tablas? No. Lo empezamos. Sí, arreglarlos, no.
¿Este que es un motor de arranque?
No, esa es una bomba de agua.
Oh, de agua.
Sí. Okay, that's it. See, this one is tight, so that's why I hit it. I hit it with the hammer, so it can get a little bit loose. See? Just maybe I could break my tool. I don't want to break my tool. See? Okay, okay. This pump is so small. Okay. Right there. Let's clean the reservoir. Okay, so let's clean this reservoir. Let's remove the shaft. This one, I think, I don't know if this one is pulling apart. Something is pulling the shaft out. I'm gonna check that. Maybe the harmonic balancer is going bad on this truck. Because it's not supposed to be like that, like out. It's like right here. Sí, no tendría que estar así. Debería estar como al nivel así. Sí, algo está jalando la polea hacia afuera. Por eso yo creo que sacó esto. Something is pulling this, well, the pulley outside, because it's not supposed to be like this, and well, it breaks this snap ring. Well, not break it, but it pulls out the snap ring, so that's why it stops working. I'm gonna have to check maybe the harmonic balancer or something else. It's pushing this one out. Si algo está pasando, ahorita lo vamos a checar. No es normal que se haya salido la bomba así. Something wrong is happening right here. All right, sounds good, very good. Thank you very much. See you later, alligator. Nothing happens with those cats. See those cats? I'm working on there, and they're right there. They're smelling something on that truck. Maybe a rat or something. Algo están oliendo en la camioneta de esos gatos. Porque mira, a veces subieron ahorita, los acabo de ver, están subiendo, están oliendo ahí. Ha de haber ratones ahí. Maybe they are rats or mice. Ha de ratas o ratones ahí. Otra cosa, another thing, this pump, it comes together with the reservoir. I didn't have to remove the reservoir. The guy didn't tell me that it comes complete assembly. ¿Sí? El chavo no me dijo que venía completa la bomba. So mira, look, they are complete assembled, this pump. So I don't need to, I need to do nothing. See? I was trying to save these bolts and everything, and I remove them. I didn't know the guy came with the pump, all everything together. See, something is in there. They're trying to look at something. They're smelling something. Algo están oliendo los gatos ahí. And there's somebody else's cats. Those are not my cats. I'm going to open. Les voy a abrir la puerta de la cabina. A lo mejor hay un ratón ahí metido. Maybe there are rats or something right there. See? They're smelling. They're smelling something. Algo hay adentro en esa troca que estoy trabajando ahorita. I'm gonna wait a little bit and then I'm going over there to work. I need to put the pump. So I hope these cats don't drop any tool right there, because couldn't find nothing. They go away. Okay, so let's go over there. Vamos allá. Vamos a poner la polea. Okay, let me put the pulley. Okay. Yeah. Okay. They're fighting. Those cats are fighting. Okay. This is not the. Let me get the other thing. Vamos a traer la otra herramienta. Esta no es, esa es la más chica. That's the small one. This one is a small size boat. Sí, más chiquilla la rosca. Right there. Let me get the wrench. Let me put some oil right here. So the oil helps slide the pulley in there. I'm gonna put some of this. This is clean oil. I think it's este es aceite limpio. Más aquí un poquito para que le ayude a deslizarse. Cats. Okay. Right there. Let's get it tight. Apretar esto. Let's see. It's going in. It's going so easy. So I don't know if there's something wrong with this one, with the pulley or something. Alright. Vamos a apretarla. It's going in. Ahí va, ahí va. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it needs a little bit more. Needs to be flat. Needs to be flush with this with the shaft. Necesita estar al ras. Okay. Ya está. Check right here. See if something wrong with the. I see nothing wrong with the pulley. It's okay. Sí, no se le mira nada a la polea que esté dañada, la polea de la cigüeñal, ¿verdad? La balanceadora. No se le mira nada mal. So, está raro que haya salido el shaft. Pero pues de todos modos vamos a ver qué está pasando y vamos a checar esa fuga de aceite también, de dónde está saliendo. I'm gonna check that oil leak, where it's leaking from. Okay. traer fluido. Ya se acabó este. Vamos a echarle un poquito aquí nada más. Ordenamos otro galón ya, pero vamos a echarle un poquito nada más a este galón, ¿ok? Let me get this. Got some more right here. Let's refill it. That's it. Right there is full. Tenemos aquí muy relleno, super relleno. Right there. Let me crank the engine again and turn the wheel until the noise quits. Vamos a darle vuelta al volantiux hasta que ya deje de hacer ruidiux, ¿ok? Okay. Noise still there, but it's less. So with the use, the noise is gonna be out. Ya con el uso que le dé el dueño ya va a dejar de hacer ruido, ¿ok? Muchas gracias por ver el video. No se olviden de suscribirse si no están suscritos. Y a la gente que está suscrita a mi canal, muchas gracias. Sí, thank you for watching the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it. And if you are subscribed already, thank you for being my subscriber. See? If you like the video, put a like. If you didn't like it, put a dislike too. Don't matter. Okay? Right there. We finished with this Dodge Ram 1500 Longhorn.
Gabriel Auto Technician
Big
in
horn.
Laguna Heights reminding
Big
you
horn,
ready
no
for
Longhorn.
Monday's summer.
Big
Get
one.
your preventative maintenance now and save
Okay.
money tomorrow. All types of maintenance
This is,
repairs for your auto and truck. Air conditioning,
2006.
heating, tune-ups, brakes, transmission,
2006.
cooling systems, fan belts, ball joints.
Dodge.
It's on the car. Gabriel Auto
Okay.
can fix it or replace it. Featuring
Right there.
computerized diagnostics.
Okay.
Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100 in Laguna Heights.